this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix Ethernet icon not showing on your Windows 11 operating system. The absence of the Ethernet icon can be due to several reasons. First, check Ethernet connection. Ensure the Ethernet cable is properly connected to both your computer and the router. You may also try using a different Ethernet cable to rule out a faulty cable. If you are sure that your cable connection is okay and still can't get the Ethernet icon, simply click on your Windows icon to head to your settings. On the settings page, select on Network and Internet. If you're using Ethernet, this clearly indicates that it's not connected. Navigate onto the last option of Advanced Network Settings. On the second option of Ethernet, click on Enable. Your Ethernet connection will get back successfully. If you still can't see the Ethernet icon after all the steps we have gone through, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Just restart your computer. That's how easy it is to fix Ethernet icon not showing on your Windows 11 PC. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.